Hey everyone, it's Mike from A Plant-Based Diet. So how do you prepare these PlantPure entrees? Well, we're going to try the microwave method here, and it seems pretty straightforward and easy. We're just going to remove the tray from the sleeve, puncture the film, microwave on high for 5 minutes, then remove the film and stir the contents, and then microwave on high for 1 more minute. So here we go. Let's remove the tray from the sleeve. Kind of hard to do while I'm holding the camera. There we go. And then we'll puncture the film. And into the microwave it goes for 5 minutes. Alright, we've got it out. Finished the 5 minutes of cooking. Take the plastic off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Set this down. Okay. Now we stir. I can hear a little bit of ice in there, still might be a little bit too cold. It says that the microwave heating times vary. We had it in for 5 minutes, but it may take longer with this microwave as compared with others. I'm going to finish stirring it around all the way. Try to get some of the liquid off to both sides. Alright. We'll put it back in for another minute. Okay, that's it. It looks done. Should be ready to enjoy.